What's going on, everybody? Have you ever been camping or working in a dark space and wished you had an extra hand just to hold your flashlight? Welcome to Budget Buying. Today we are checking out the best rechargeable headlight to keep your hands free and your path bright. Let's get started. Taking a closer look at the Lhknl Rechargeable Headlight, this device completely changes how you see in the dark. Whether you are setting up a tent late at night, working under the hood of your car, or going for an evening run, having a reliable light source right on your head makes everything easier. You no longer have to awkwardly hold a heavy flashlight while trying to get things done. This headlamp puts the bright light exactly where you need it, leaving both of your hands completely free to handle tools, carry firewood, or safely guide yourself along a tricky path. The Lhknl Rechargeable Headlight is equipped with class-leading LED chips. These advanced lights provide an incredibly bright output with double the high lumens of standard headlamps. This means you can easily light up an entire campsite, illuminate a dark hiking trail, or clearly see a poorly lit road right in front of you. What makes this headlamp stand out is the massive variety of lighting options. It features 8 different lighting modes to meet any specific need. Using the standard key light mode, you can easily switch between a strong main beam for maximum distance, a weaker main beam for saving power, a strong side beam, a weak side beam, a solid red beam, and an emergency SOS red strobe light. Having a red light option is absolutely fantastic for preserving your night vision while reading a map or moving around the tent without waking up your friends. If you have ever used an older headlamp, you probably know the frustration of having to click through every single light mode just to turn the device off. Lhknl completely solved this problem by adding a highly requested long press function. All you have to do is hold the main mode button for 3 seconds and the light will instantly turn off from any setting. It is a brilliant little detail that saves you a ton of time and annoyance. Another amazing feature packed into the Lhknl Rechargeable Headlight is the built-in motion sensor mode. By activating this setting, you can turn the main strong beam or the side strong beam on or off simply by waving your hand right in front of the device. This is incredibly convenient if you are doing dirty mechanical repairs or cooking dinner over a campfire. Your hands might be covered in mud or grease, but you can still control your illumination without touching the headlamp and making it dirty. Powering all of these great features is a highly reliable 1500 mAh built-in rechargeable battery. It gives you an impressive 4 to 10 hours of continuous usage when fully charged, depending on which brightness mode you decide to use. There is also a very handy visual battery indicator on the side of the device, so you always know exactly how much power you have left before heading into the dark. If you do happen to run low, you can plug it in and continue using the light at the very same time. You never have to sit around in the dark waiting for a full charge or worry about buying expensive replacement batteries again. When wearing something on your head for hours, overall comfort is extremely important. Thankfully, this headlamp is incredibly lightweight, coming in at just 1.87 ounces. You will barely notice you are wearing it even during long overnight camping trips or extended working sessions in the garage. The light unit is firmly attached to a high-quality elastic headband that feels soft against your skin and is completely adjustable. You can quickly change the strap length to fit perfectly on your head, making it an excellent choice for both adults and kids to wear comfortably. The actual lamp head can also be rotated up to 60 degrees. You can point the light straight ahead for walking or angle it downward right at your hands while you are working. The hinge clicks tightly into place so the light will never shake or slide down, even if you are out for a bumpy nighttime run. Finally, you never have to worry about unpredictable weather ruining your outdoor gear. The Lhknl Rechargeable Headlight features a durable IPX4 waterproof rating. The high-quality outer shell is completely sealed and leak-proof, meaning it can easily handle splashing water, heavy rainstorms, or even freezing snow. Whether you are working indoors or braving the wild outdoors, this tough headlamp is built to survive the harsh elements and keep shining bright. It is officially time to ditch bulky handheld flashlights and upgrade your outdoor gear. Check the price link in the description to grab one today. Like and subscribe to Budget Buying for more awesome product videos. Thanks so much for watching, and we will see you in the next one.